Hey, what's going on YouTube? My name is Matthew Blaine. I am a high school photography teacher and a filmmaker. And in this video, I'm going to be doing a full review of the Ultimate Ears UE Fits. I pre-ordered the UE Fits back in November and I received them in January, and I had a few issues. The first issue that I had was the left earbud did not mold properly to my ear. And for the first while, it was really painful to wear this. And as I did a little bit more inspecting into the earbud, I was able to tell that there was actually an air bubble that had formed inside of the tip. The second issue was that the left earbud also had a high-pitched frequency coming from it that was emitting constantly. Once in a while it would go away, but then it would come right back, and just really annoying and frustrating that I had this constant high-pitched frequency in my ear. Overall, the right earbud, I have no complaints. It's honestly the best fitting headphone that I've ever worn. Way more comfortable than any Apple product or any other earbud for that matter. If you're expecting these earbuds to be as seamless as the AirPods and iPhone, forget about it. You're not going to want to get these, because I have had some issues jumping back and forth between my Mac and my iPhone, and the syncing process has not been seamless like it is with AirPods. So if you're an individual who wants that quick, seamless, painless connectivity, these are definitely not the earbuds for you. So I contacted UE, and their customer support hasn't been the best, but they were able to send me out a new unit. So I'm going to be reviewing this new unit and telling you guys what my findings are. If you are enjoying this video, I'd love for you to consider subscribing for more filmmaking and photography related content. By the way, all of the products and gear used to make this video are listed in the description below. I've had a couple days to test out the new unit, and I found both pros and cons. So let's just jump into the cons. The first con is that the connectivity issue is still a thing. The Bluetooth 5.0 that they claim to have is not great when it comes to jumping back and forth between my Mac and my iPhone, like the AirPod Pros were that I used to have. But hopefully with firmware updates that issue might be fixed. Another con, which is not really related to the headphones themselves, is the case. The case just feels a little cheap, and I definitely would not want to drop it on concrete because I think it might break. Whereas like the AirPod Pro's case just seems a little bit more durable than this case. It feels like it could easily be snapped. Having said that, it's super easy to use. They just drop into the case and it's magnetic, and that part's super nice actually. The first pro is the fit. So Ultimate Ears claims that these are the best fitting earbuds ever, and I might have to agree with that. These honestly are the best fitting earbuds that I've ever worn, and I don't have any issues. These aren't going to fall out of my head when I go for a bike ride, when I go running. I've tried shaking my head as hard as I can, and these puppies, these babies, they're not going to fall out. Okay, I'm not going to do that. The second pro of the Fits is the sound quality. I by no means am a sound engineer, but compared to other earbuds I've worn, like the AirPods, even the Pros, I think these sound a little bit better. So sound quality, UE really hit it on the nail with that one. The third pro is the battery life. So these earbuds get 8 hours, I think, of battery life, and then the case adds an additional 20 hours. So you have a total of 28 hours of battery life before you have to recharge these. Future Matthew just jumping in here to let you guys know that I took my UE Fits to work the other day to teach my photography students, and while I was on the conference call, they cut out at about 20 minutes and they would not turn back on, and I didn't know why. It was super frustrating. And so when I got home, I just plugged them back in, and the app told me that the headphones still had about 80% battery. So that was super frustrating. I forgot to touch on ANC. These earbuds do not have ANC. It would be nice if they did, but The fit is so tight and secure that honestly, it's not absolutely necessary. Somebody in the previous video asked if you could order individual earbuds, and I actually reached out to UE and asked if what happens if I lose an earbud, and they said that currently at this time that they're not able to ship out individual earbuds, and that they'll have to have you send back the single earbud you have, and for $100 fee they will send you a new set. So back to present Matthew. So do the pros outweigh the cons? That's a tough question. So I was able to pick these up for $200 when they went on sale for pre-order, and honestly I don't know if I would spend $250 on these headphones. The fit is amazing, the sound quality is amazing, but honestly I think I'm too cheap to spend $250 on headphones. I don't think you're going to find a better fitting pair of headphones out there, but I might wait around until the second generation of these come out, or until there's a firmware update that improves the Bluetooth connection. If you have the UE Fits, I would love to hear your thoughts and honest opinions on them, so drop a comment below and let me know what you think. If you found value in this video, I'd love for you to consider subscribing and hit that like button, and I will see you guys in the next video. Hey, we'll see ya. I love ya. I don't know how to do YouTube. Hey, I'm working on it. I'm figuring it out. I'm here. I'm putting in the hours, so trying to get better. Have a fantastic day.